Conservative New Media viewers, what's going on? It's me, John D. Villarreal. I've got a science story here for you, and it's very cool. Check this out. Apparently there was a comet that went close to the sun, and you can see here, you see that? See that little faint thing there? Right there? You can see the corona, and here's another angle on it. Now here we're showing you different EM spectrums analysis of this. You can see it from different angles, and you can see here, just grazing across there. It's amazing. And there's actually a decent amount of comets. We'll actually have a lot of near misses on the sun. Now the sun actually has a lot of magnetic lines and stuff, and they're not always apparent to us. Now, obviously, when you see like the plasma ejections from the sun and how they sort of loop back down, that can kind of illuminate some of the magnetic lines. But there's obviously a lot more that we don't even see, which is pretty amazing. And again, when we show different spectrums of this event, you can see how this comet just kind of goes by and grazes. Now here was another situation where the tail of a comet got clipped by some plasma, and that was really amazing. So you see that tail just gets knocked out. Now with the tail with these comets, you can have all kinds of little trailings off them. It's absolutely amazing seeing this kind of stuff. When you think about all the different things in the universe that are going on that we're just learning about, it's really, really incredible. And again, showing you different shots of the tail and how it glows and stuff like that. It's really unbelievable. You think of all the forces again in the universe here. Just absolutely incredible. Now there's a whole different look at the sun there with some of the eruptions of plasma and stuff like that. Now there's what's called the solar wind. And so a lot of stuff gets actually kind of trapped in the sun because of the gravity and stuff. But some of the particles actually sort of get out, and as you sort of as they get out farther and farther, they actually accelerate, such that by the time they're hitting around the 5 million mile mark away from the sun, they're going like 1,000,000 miles an hour. It's unbelievable. So I'm very interested to see what happens as more of these comets sort of come close to the sun and we observe some more. I think there's a very big one coming sometime next year around November. So that's going to be very interesting to see how that comes out and what kind of observations we can make. But I want your take on this kind of science. And again, we're learning so much more about comets all the time about could they basically transport water and organics to other planets? I just did a video about Mercury. Is that how some organic and water material got into Mercury? Also, what about Mars? What about our planet? What about other planets all out there in the universe? What do you think about that science story with the comets zooming, that one comet that got close to the sun there, and it was incredible seeing, the trace of it. I think this stuff is incredible. I want to learn more and more about the sun. I love the science videos. I love the technology videos. I like to learn about these things. I think there's so much going on out there in the universe, and particularly with these whole comets like I was talking about. I mean, there are theories about, these comets carrying organic material and water, basically being able to seed planets for alien extraterrestrial life, even if it's only at the microbe level. So I think that we need to learn more about this. I think we need to study more about this. What do you think about this? I thought this was a cool video. I need to hear from you. Give me the comments below. Please subscribe above. I'm John D. Villarreal, the 4-time national champion and the super genius. You're watching Conservative New Media. Please rate this video up. Also, please post it to your social networking sites. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.